I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. I almost said summer because it is summer here in the Hudson Valley and it is hot. And today I am making one of my favorite hot weather meals. I'm going to show you how to make my healthy tuna pasta salad recipe. So you can forget about those mayonnaise-y, gloppy, heavy tuna pasta salads you might have had in the past, because this is nothing like that. We are going to make a fresh, vibrant, Italian-inspired pasta salad that features tuna, fresh spinach, Kalamata olives, juicy tomatoes, and toasted pine nuts. The pasta salad is all tied together with a Dijon dill vinaigrette, no mayonnaise in sight. This is just a really, really delicious, bright, easy to make dinner. You can prep it ahead. I can't wait to show you how to make this healthy tuna pasta salad recipe, so let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out, and that way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. If you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. We're going to start by making the Dijon dill dressing. I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and I'm adding fresh lemon juice, red wine vinegar, a touch of honey for sweetness. This is just going to balance out all of the flavors, fresh chives or chopped shallots according to what you have, grated garlic, lots of fresh dill. You guys, this dressing has so much flavor. Now season it up with salt and pepper and then add extra virgin olive oil. I love making dressings in a jar because that way I can just screw on the lid and shake it up to combine, but you could totally do this in a bowl with a whisk. Now that the dressing is made, it is time to cook the pasta. I'm using a gluten-free pasta, but you could use any shaped pasta you like. Drain the pasta, rinse it in warm water, then transfer it to a large bowl. Immediately add half of the dressing and season with some more salt and pepper. Now this is a really important step because that warm pasta is going to soak up the dressing, giving us a really flavorful pasta salad. Let the pasta cool, and then we can add the rest of the ingredients. I'm using a good quality canned tuna, or you could use jarred tuna, baby spinach, grape tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and toasted pine nuts. I'm also adding a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Now drizzle on the rest of that dressing, and then we're gonna toss this all to combine. Now, if you want to make this ahead, don't add the dressing and don't toss it quite yet. You can pop the bowl with everything in the refrigerator and then right before eating, add the rest of the dressing and toss it to coat. That Dijon dill dressing, you guys, it just ties everything together and it's so bright and vibrant. This tuna pasta salad has so many different textures and flavors. We love to eat it as a quick and easy weeknight meal, but we also love to pack it up for potlucks and picnics. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you give this healthy tuna pasta salad recipe a try. So I've included below a link to the full recipe, and I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other easy to make, wholesome, gluten-free dishes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you.